Two related rights objective. After this presentation, students can show what related rights illuminate the conditions for protection. What rights do rights holders have? Define protection. Period 2 to 1 Legal notions of related rights. 2.1 Introduction. The purpose of related rights is to protect the legitimate interests of individuals or legal entities that have contributed to the creation of works for publicity or to produce works that are not subject to copyright. In general, related rights are granted to three types of beneficiaries: performers, producers, and broadcasters. Because of the legitimate interests of the individual. 2.1.2 Definition. Related rights are not copyrighted, but are closely related to copyright and are recognized to give the copyright holder the same rights as the copyright holder. Public. Defined under the Rome Convention. 2.1.3 Related rights category. There are three types. Performers, manufacturer of phonograms and video and broadcasting organization. 2.2 Conditions of protection refer to Article 3 of the Cambodian copyright law. Must be based on nationality, territorial jurisdiction. Types of works to be protected: works of performers. A. Performers of Cambodian nationality. B. Performers who are not Cambodian nationals but that performance one occurs in Cambodia. 2. Recorded as a phonogram under the protection of the law. 3. Not yet recorded in phonogram but broadcast on TV. Phonogram works. Phonogram of Khmer producers. Phonogram recorded for the first time in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Phonogram first published in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Broadcasting organization. Broadcasting by a television unit headquartered in the Kingdom of Cambodia. Broadcasting from broadcast media located in the Kingdom of Cambodia. 2 to 3 Owners of related rights have rights. Performers are protected by rights to recordings, television broadcasts, and public broadcasts. Phonogram makers are licensed or not allowed to reproduce, import, distribute, or copy their phonograms. The broadcasting organization is authorized or disallowed to rebroadcast or record or reproduce works in its broadcasting organization. Restriction of rights holders. Article 50 of Cambodian law. Some of the following cases do not require permission from the rights holder, such as update on the terms of the report, cited excerpts from the show or phonogram content or from the live broadcast, copies made for research purposes only, copies for study use, short excerpts from performances or phonograms or broadcast live for news, capture video and audio to broadcast the full range of national festivals, meetings or events from the original station at the same time. 2 to 4 Protection period. Article 53 of the Cambodian copyright law. The protection period of the performer is 50 years after the year of the performance was recorded in the phonogram. If not recorded in the phonogram, it shall be calculated from the year of the performance. The protection period for phonogram makers is 50 years after the year in which the phonogram was published. The protection period of the program of the television unit is 50 years after the end of the year of the program being broadcast by the television unit. The approximate protection period under the Rome Convention is 20 years after the end of the one recording is done. 2. The performance took place. 3. Advertising of the program of the broadcasting unit. Under the TRIPS agreement, the rights of phonogram performers and producers are protected for 50 years from the date of the recording, and the broadcast unit is protected for 20 years from the date of the broadcast of the broadcast unit. 2 to 5 Mechanism of resolution for copyright infringement. Through the court, through the competent ministry to help, through border measures.